I have the students make a cubic meter, so I hand out 12 meter sticks, 2 to each kid, 6 kids, right? You know, and then I say, on your mark, get set, go, and they have to construct a cubic meter in the space above the desks. And you know, it usually takes them about a minute to do it, and you can have a competition, and it's sort of fun. And then when they've got that huge cubic meter, okay, I say, okay, that's a cubic meter. 1,000 of these liters would fit inside there. 1,000 of these. Each of these has a mass of a kilogram, okay, of the water, right? And so that would be 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter, which is the density of water nominally, right? And that's 2,200 pounds roughly of mass, right? Then, I always like to point this out, is that air is pretty thick stuff. So if you took the air, this is about 4.5 inches on a side, okay? That is the volume of 1.204 kilograms of liquid nitrogen. So air is mostly nitrogen, and if you took all the molecules in that cubic meter, they'd actually take up this much space of incompressible volume, right? And so air is not nothing. Air is like a lot of stuff, right? And then I talk about semi-trailers, right? A semi-trailer is maybe 5 meters tall, 3 meters wide. It's moving 30 meters per second roughly, right? So that's 450 of these, right? Getting pushed out of the way every second by semi-trailers, right? Up at Swan Island, they actually have a wind tunnel designed by Portland State University for semi-trailers, right? And if they can just carve off just a little bit of that drag coefficient, right? The carbon that you save from the atmosphere is tremendous. What else? I think that's about all.